Good evening, YouTube friends and family. I thought about this and I said, wait a minute. I need to go ahead and push this video out real fast. Because even though I was bewildered because a lot of my deals did not go like I wanted them to today at Walgreens, I got motivated to go up there because I saw couponing for beginners on Instagram do some deal that didn't work. That was supposed to be $4, but she has good deals, but that one didn't work out. I didn't do the full deal because I didn't need some of the stuff. And one couponer, she did a $10 deal, so I say, okay, yeah, we need some more of that. So the toilet paper has like 2 coupons, so these come out to be like $2 and something. The store coupon and the Scott coupon attached, and they're $5, so it comes out to be like $2.25. So you can always use toilet paper in your preps. Go pick at least one up. Another deal, if you can catch them, Q-tips. I use them every day. I have a Q-tip addiction, and I know I'm not the only one. So I got the 3 Q-tips. They were like 2 for $7 and $3.29. So once you bought the 3, it came to like $10.29 plus tax, and you get $5 back. So that was 3 for $5 in my coupon math. It's like 3 for $6 or 3 for $5. And I don't use no cheap Dollar Tree because they will come off in your ear. You need the good Q-tips that don't lose a whole bunch of cotton in your ear. So that was another one. The toothpaste came down to less than $1 a pack because you buy 2 and you get, I want to say you got $4 back. And you got $4 off on the initial purchase. So it kind of equated to like less than $1 a pack once you get the $4 back. So that's another prepping item. I like to brush my teeth. I like to bathe. And I noticed when I put out the Target video, I lost a subscriber. So I was like, really? So I am a lifestyle channel. I shop a lot. I have my house fully stocked and prepped. All my videos are not going to be a bunch of canned goods. I'm just warning you. I do like to take baths. I do keep soap. I do use soap, real soap like Dove. So these are $7 each. But then they give you $7 off. So then that's for 2 for $7. And this is the good Dove. This lasts forever because it don't take a whole lot. And I can't remember if it gave you something back, but I know it came down to like $3.50 a piece. This is men's body wash. That was $7.99 each, and then they gave you $7 off, and then I think they gave you $5 back or something on it. I can't remember, but I don't think it worked like it was supposed to. Now that was one that didn't go right. Another thing about Walgreens. Go there before you go to the Dollar Tree. Walgreens has a dollar aisle, or $1 aisle. And watch to the end because I got some other stuff I ran up on. Walgreens has a $1 aisle. This is in the $1 aisle. This is good for putting in your dishwater too if you don't have the regular bleach or if you want to save your good Clorox. This is good for putting in your mop water. You know, all around cleaning. $1. And it's bigger than that stuff at the Dollar Tree that they're passing off as bleach too. So check their Dollar Tree. Their dollar aisle. It is $1, not $1.25. And you might find stuff you like. Vitamins. These are buy one, get one half off. And let me actually look at the receipt on this because I got so confused. I'm telling you, I ain't couponing like I used to, and it gets hard and confusing. But okay, so they were $70.79. Buy one, get one free. And then it was a coupon for $3 off. And then, so that made them 2 for $4.49. So, or like, what, $7.79 minus 3. So 2 for $4. They were like $2 and change a piece. So these are hair to skin and nail gummies. And it's 40 gummies and you take 2 at a time. So that, but any of the Nature Bounty vitamins. So if you need vitamin C, if you need B12, you need any of that for your stockpile. It's a little more expensive, or any kind of multivitamin that's made by Nature Bounty, then that they're having that sale this week. This is not a sale item, but this is what I stockpile. This is my allergy pill. I take this daily. 1 pill a day. So I make sure I keep, what's that, 3-4 month supply in my house, because I need this every day. And they always have like $5 off coupon or $10 off coupon, depending on the size. So this was $10 off. This was $5 off. And all of these are digital. So now for the surprise sale items that are good for stockpiles and preps. Guess how much these were? I'm going to get the receipt because you ain't going to believe me. You ain't going to believe me. $1 each. Let me show you this on the screen. $1 each. That second one, $1. I use these. They can be expensive. Sometimes they can even be hard to find. This don't go bad. $1 each. I bought the last 2 in the store. So check your Walgreens. They are marking down a lot of stuff. These are on the dollar aisle. They were $1. $1.25 tree sells, you know, something similar, but they're $1.25. That's why I say check Walgreens dollar aisle. A little game. This was $1. Just something to have for the kids in the event that there's no lights. Maybe you got a kid who like comic books. Maybe you need to buy a birthday gift. Comic book trivia. Now, I just bought this. I don't know why. It was 50 cents. It was on clearance for 50 cents. And, you know, if there's no lights or nothing, you just might want to sit and watch the balls go back and forth. And TikTok time. I don't know. But I have a friend with a basket making business. And she may want that. That's why I grabbed it. But that was the haul from Walgreens. Because of the Zazal, it's $50. Because this is like $35 for the 80 and $22 for the 35. It seemed to be an expensive haul. But, and like I say, I got it all confused and twisted. But some of those deals you may need for your house. That's why I went on and shared it. You may need to stock up on. Like I say, don't let those kids not have soap the night before school. You know what I'm saying? You got to have all of that just kind of stocked up, because we don't know the day or the hour when there's going to be nothing on the shelves. But you still want to take baths. Never. Even before all this, me personally, I have never believed in having 1 or 2 soaps. If I see that I'm down to my last, it could be the big Sam size pack of toilet paper. If that's the last one in my house, I get nervous. Because again, I'm always unemployed. It just seems like I'm still unemployed, but look again, because I prepared. I could still do this, still keep my house stocked, even though we using toilet paper every day. Even though I probably got a wall full of toilet paper and paper towels, I could still throw this in the bundle. Or this is good for somebody who comes a begging. You see, so you just never know. And keep your house stocked. Toilet paper does not go bad. You know, laundry detergent can get a little clumpy every now and then. This may get clumpy, but I doubt it before I use it. It probably will take 6 years for this to get clumpy and start dissipating. It'll be gone by then. So, I just want you to concentrate, not just food, everything. You need to be able to still clean your house with or without water. So you need to have your water source. You need to have everything, your vitamins, your medicines, your entertainment. You know, it's just very important. It's very important. Go down the things you use every day. You eat 3 meals a day, yes. You get up and brush your teeth, yes. So you need toothpaste. You need toothbrushes. You need washcloths. You need soap. You wash your face. Make sure you have enough of the face wash you use, because it may be discontinued. It may go away. So have 6-12 months of that. You know, so I'm just begging you all to get ready, stay ready. Don't be scared. Just be prepared. That's all. That's all. So I do thank you for watching this video. I'm going to try to throw this up tonight so somebody can at least run into a Walgreens and grab something. And I do thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button for me. Share the video. Subscribe to the channel. And if you need more in-depth of how to do this, it's people all over YouTube. One cute couponer is pretty good with this stuff. She had it down to get in the Dove, the Bulldog, the toilet paper, and she got something else for under $10. So follow her little scenario, if you will. But I just beg you to figure out a way to get your house fully stocked. If you've never couponed before, it's people on there that really break it down slow for you. So, again, I just pray for us all. And you have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.